Today we will learn different file handling operations in Linux through your terminal. So let's start. So let's open our terminal. So the commands that we will be doing today, I have listed them here as well so that it's easier for you to read as compared to reading from the terminal directly. So the first command that we will be doing today, which is written here, is ls command. So type ls here and press enter. So you will see a list of all your folders and files which are present in your home folder. So uh, right now the location we are in is the home location. So if you open your file explorer, the location that opens up is the home location, and these are all the folders and files that you can see here. And we call the folders as directories in Linux. So whenever I say directory, that means a folder. All right. And now we have another command, which is dir command, and it does the same thing, but it doesn't differentiate in the directories and files with colors. So here in the first command, in the ls command, you can see that the files are present in the white color. They are listed in white color. The folders or directories are listed with blue color, and the executable shell scripts are listed in green color. While with the dir command, all of the files, the folders, the directories, everything is listed with the same color. So this is the difference which you can see here. Right, now let's go inside some directories. So let's go in our, maybe let's say music directory, cd music. Now we are in that directory. You can again see what is there. So it's empty, and we can come out of this directory using cd space double dots. That will take you out of that directory. We can create a new directory. For example, the command for creating is mkdir. So for example, let's create a directory named, let's say we call it check or something. So this is the directory we are creating, and if we press ls again, we can see that we have this directory here, which we didn't have before. So we didn't have this directory before. We can go inside this directory as well. So press enter. You are inside check here, right? And in this must be empty. So yeah, this directory is empty. And if you go to your file explorer, you can see that directory must be created. Where is it? This is the directory which we just created, right? Through the command in terminal. Okay. We can also delete this directory, but for deleting, let's come out of it first. So now we are out of it, and now let's delete it. So the command for deleting the directory is this, rmdir. So press rmdir and then write the name of your directory. So the name of the directory was check, press enter. This directory must be deleted now. So press ls and see if it is here or not. So there is no directory check here like before. We have this file here, but this is a file. This is not directory. This is a check.sh file. It's a shell script file. This is not the directory we created, right? Now let's move towards the second task. And second task is, the second command is of creating files, right? So first of all, let's clear our terminal, and we will learn how to create file in 3 different ways. So we'll create a text file with 3 different ways, and these are the 3 different ways. So first of all, let's create with this first way, which is cat. So press cat and then the greater than sign and then the name of your file. So let's say I will call my file.txt. This is the file I'm creating. If I press enter, I will go inside the file. So I can save something here. Hello, maybe. So this is I've written in my file, and maybe ABCD, something like that. So I've saved 2 lines in my file. Now, to get out of it, there are 2 ways. The first one is exiting from here. So for exiting, I will press Control C on my keyboard, right? But if I wanna save and exit, I will press Control D. So I'm gonna press Control D here, and now I'm out of that file, and these 2 lines are saved in the file. And I can cross-check that. So go to your file explorer and see my file. This is here, my file.txt. Open it up, and you will see once it opens, yes, you can see these are the 2 lines that I saved in it. Close it now, And let's now create another file using the other method, that is touch command. So write touch space and then the name of your file. So let's call it file2 this time, file2.txt, right? And press enter. So this command just creates a file. It doesn't let you go inside the file like this previous command. So you can't write something in it, you just create a file. So this file 2 must have been created. We can cross check it by going here in the file explorer or by typing ls. So when you type ls, this must be here. There you can see it, file2.txt. Right, now we have a third command, and that is greater than sign space and then the name of your file. So I'll call it file3.txt this time. And press enter. Again, your file must be created. You can check it by pressing ls, and there it is, file3.txt. This is the file. So it's created now here. Let's move to the next command, that is displaying a file. So if you want to display some file, and let's display the first file which we created, this one, myfile.txt. There are two ways. The first one is just write cat and then the name of your file. So the name of my file is myfile.txt, and you have to write the extension as well along with the name. So if I write that and press enter, you can see this is what was saved in my file, that's displayed on the screen. The second method is press press cat space dash n and then the name of your file, which was myfile.txt. So this second command will display the file, and it will display these lines as an ordered list. So you can see the output. Let's see. So it has displayed the lines as an ordered list. So this is the first line. It has appended 1 before it and 2 before the next line. So it has just numbered the line. You can say that. Put numbers before the lines, right? Okay, let's move towards the fourth task. First of all, let's clear our screen. Okay, now let's see how to copy from one file and put it in the other file. So right now we have 3 files, file 2, file 3, and my file. And we have 2 lines in my file, while file 2 and 3 are empty. And we can cross-check that file 2 and 3 are empty by using this display command. So let's display file2.txt. It should be empty. Yeah, this is empty. And let's display file 3.txt. It's empty too. Now let's perform this operation on these files. So the copy operation is the command is like this: cp space the name of your source file space the name of your destination file. Right. So you write the name of your source file and then the name of your destination file. So let's perform it here, and let's make the source file as myfile.txt because we have some text in it. So let's write myfile.txt. This is our source file. Whatever is present in this file will be copied to the destination. So let's make the destination file as file2.txt because we know it's empty. So if it is empty, the data from myfile.txt will be saved in this file. So we will have something in it. So file2.txt, and then press enter, and let's check if it is copied or not. So let's see what is there in file2.txt. Press enter, and you can see it was empty before, but now the data has been copied to it, right? Now we have another command for the same purpose, but it is slightly different, and that command is cat the name of source file, this operator, and then destination file. So there is a slight difference in both of these commands. Let's see. Let's perform this command again. So cat the name of my source file is again myfile.txt, and let's make the name of my destination file as file3.txt. So file 3 is empty right now, and we have to put these 2 operators here as well. Press enter. Now let's display file3.txt. The data must have been copied in it, and yes, we can see that. Now let's find out the difference between both these commands, the first command and the second command. So to find out the difference, let's execute them one by one more time. Right? So this is the first command, cp, and source file is myfile.txt, destination is file2.txt. Let's perform it again, and let's see what is the situation in file2 now. So file2.txt, And so we can see that even when we have performed the operation again, the data has been overwritten, right? So this thing is which has been copied here is overwritten the second time again. So what do I mean by that? Let's form the second command and you will understand it better. This is the second command, this command, right? And I'm performing it again. Press enter. And now let's display file 3. Let's see what the situation is there now. So you can see that the data has not been overwritten. When I performed this command for the second time, the data has been copied for the second time. So you can see it has appended the data. So this is the difference between both. When you perform this command, cp command, it just overwrites whatever is written in the source file is saved in the destination file and is overwritten. While in the case of the other command, this second command, cat source file, this operator destination file, this command does not overwrite, rather it appends, right? So the data that is previously stored is saved. So this is the difference between both of these commands. Let's move towards the other. Yeah, so let's now, so we have done the copying task. Let's now do the cut and paste task, that is moving command. First of all, let's clear it. And now let's move something, move one file move file from one place to the other. So what we are going to do is we are cut pasting, not copy pasting, right? So you know that when something is cut, it is deleted, right? So what will happen is source file will be cut or deleted and everything will be pasted in the destination file or overwritten in the destination file. And this is the syntax. Let's do it. So mv, and the name of our file was, so let's use my file for this. So my file should be deleted now. myfile.txt, and let's create a new file this time. So let's write some file which is not present before. Should we do that? Yeah, let's do that. So file4.txt. Let's see if it throws an error or if it creates it. So there is no error. There was no file named as file4.txt, but there is no error. Let's see what happened. First of all, let's use the ls command and see, do we have any? Yes, we have a file, file4.txt. So you can see that this command not only pasted in the new file, but rather it also created the file which was not present before, right? And now let's see the contents of file4.txt. So yes, it has created the new file and the contents are copied successfully. So this is what was present in myfile.txt. Now let's check one more thing. This file, myfile.txt, is it present here now or not? So we can see it's not here. It's not present. It's deleted because the task was of, the command was of cut and paste, deleting the source file and pasting in the destination file. Okay, let's move on. So the next one is deleting any file or folder. So let's delete some file. Let's delete this file4.txt. So right now you can see it here, present here, and when we will delete it, it should no longer exist. So rm, the command for deleting is rm space the name of your file, which is file4.txt, and press enter. Now let's check it. So yes, there is no file name named as file4.txt. It has successfully deleted. Okay. So how many files do we have right now? So we have file2.txt and file3.txt. Let's perform this command. So this command actually counts the words in a file. So it has 3 modes as well. So let's do them one by one. First of all, let's write wc space and then the name of your file, which is file2.txt. So what it will do is it will tell you about the words, lines, and character count in it. Press enter. So yes, we know there are 2 lines in this file, right? Let's display it as well on the screen. File2.txt. This is actually the file we are talking about. So yes, there are 2 lines that is displayed here, 2 lines in the file, and 6 is the word count. There are 6 words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, there are 6 words in the file. And the character count is 32. There are 32 words in this file, including the spaces and everything. Spaces and backslash and everything. right? This was the output of the first command. Now let's perform the second mode. This mode will just tell me about the word count. So wc space dash w dash and then the name of your file, which is file2.txt. Sorry, file2.txt. Press enter and it's telling me there are 6 words in the file. Now you can perform the same command and this time let's write dash L. So that will tell me about the line count. So there are 2 lines in the file and the last one is character count, which is dash C. So this is telling me there are 32 characters in this file. Let's move on to the last command. That is there are a set of 6 commands actually. So let's perform them. But before performing these set of commands, first of all, open up your file. For example, let's say file2.txt. Open this up and increase the size of your file. So I'm increasing the size of my file so that when I run these commands, I will understand them in a better way. Because these commands are for displaying the files in different ways. And you will understand the output better if there are more number of lines here. Right, so save your file and then close it. And now let's perform these commands. So the first command is head command, and this command is for displaying the first 10 lines of your file. So the way we will use it is head space the name of your file. The name of our file is file2.txt and press enter. So first 10 lines are displayed of your file, and the tail will do the same, except for it will display the last 10 lines of the file. So actually the first lines and the last lines, they are the same because we copy pasted the same thing. So we can't see the difference. Otherwise, if the lines are different, you will see that these will be the first 10 lines, these will be the last 10 lines. And then let's perform the more command. So more command actually provides you scrolling in the form of percentage. So what we mean by that is write more space and then file2.txt, right? So do that and then press enter. So you can see right now 38% of your file is visible here. And you can press enter and this number will increase. So now 40% of your file is visible. So press enter and this thing will keep on increasing. The percentage will be increasing. It will keep on increasing. And then at the end, you will get out of it. Right, and then let's do the less command. For that, less space and again the name of your file. So the name of my file was file2.txt. Press enter and now you can see that your file is displayed part-wise. So these are different parts that are being displayed. I'm going to perform this command one more time. Write less and press enter. This is some part of your file that has been displayed. So when you press enter, some more part will be displayed. Press enter again and some more part will be displayed again. So this way it will keep on increasing. I'm pressing the enter key again and again. And at the end you will find the button end here. So when you reach this, press Q. When you will press Q, you will get out of it. Then we have 2 more commands. Let's perform sort first, then we will go for grep. For sorting, it's easy. Write sort space again the name of your file. It sorts in some weird way. Actually, sorry, the name of my file was file2.txt. So the sort command has sorted the file in this order. Right, now let's do the last one, grep command, and it is actually the most important one. So grep command is used for searching something in the file. So let's write grep space and then you will write the name that you want to search. So for example, we want to search hello, right? This is capital H, this word here, hello, and then space and then file 2.txt and press enter. So wherever hello is present in the file, that will be highlighted. It's highlighted and it's red, it's present in red color now. Right? So this way you can search any word in the file. And the syntax is this: grep, the name of your word, and then the name of your file. So these are the basic set of file operations that you can perform in Linux through your terminal. So I hope you learned something.